Healthy breakfast ideas Indian. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on health and fitness goals. Here are some healthy breakfast ideas with an Indian take. Oats upma, saudi oats with mustard seeds, curry leaves, chopped vegetables like carrots, peas, and bell peppers, and spices like turmeric and cumin. Cook until the oats are soft and well mixed. Poha. Poha is flattened rice that can be quickly cooked with mustard seeds, curry leaves, chopped onions, peas, and turmeric. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve with a squeeze of lemon. Moong dal chilla. Makia. Batter using soaked and blended moong dal, adding spices like cumin, green chili, and salt. Cook like a pancake on a hot griddle, and serve with mint chutney. Dakla. Prepare dakla batter using fermented rice and chickpea flour, and steam it until it's cooked. Season with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies for a savory touch. Idli with sambar. Make idli batter by fermenting rice and urad dal. Steam the batter in idli molds and serve with sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew. Vegetable upma. Saute semolina suji with mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves, and vegetables like carrots, peas, and beans. Cook until the semolina is cooked through. Quinoa khichdi. Cook quinoa with moong dal, turmeric, cumin, and ghee. Add vegetables like peas and carrots for a nutritious twist on traditional khichdi. Sprout salad. Mix sprouted moong beans with chopped tomatoes, onions, cucumber, and coriander. Season with chaat masala, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Masala mellet, whiskix with chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and coriander. Cook the mixture in a pan with a bit of oil or ghee. Whole wheat paratha with yogurt. Stuff whole wheat parathas with spiced mashed vegetables or paneer. Serve with yogurt for a wholesome breakfast. Remember to customize these recipes according to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Additionally, try to include a variety of colorful vegetables for added nutrients. If you're getting any value out of the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's continue.